DeLorean is an icon. I'm not sure what else to say.
The moment I saw that car in person, I broke a sweat and I felt like I had to have this car.
My name's Rob Grady. I restore DeLoreans. Been doing it for 34 years since they were new.
My name is Bob Zilla. I'm an electrical engineer. Loved the car right from the get-go. And liked the idea of building electronics for the car, system control modules, things of that nature.
I think my best experience is when I take a car that needs a lot of work and an owner turns me loose on it and lets me do everything that the car needs, that I know that I can do. Spend a lot of time correcting defects and regraining and knocking out bumps. The values, the high end is probably in the $80,000 range currently. Overall, I'd say they've gone up 40% in the last 3 years.
I'll never forget when I first saw the car. Pictures of it are nice, but they don't do justice to seeing the car in person.
I've never seen a car with that kind of finish, and the way the light plays on it, it's pretty impressive.
I can't be 100% sure what in particular fascinates me the most about it, but it's just so cool.